Either it's a lazy day or summer, you can always prepare dahi mushroom.
For this recipe, we need very simple ingredients. You will get the ingredients in my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. You can check the description box. So now I'm preparing it, and as usual, you are watching the glance of my cooking. So what you're waiting for? Just go through my YouTube channel what I mentioned, and if you want to place order of food, you can always contact MaddyBee in Facebook, Instagram, and Google also. So and this dahi mushroom can be taken, I mean you can eat if you're into diet. You don't want to eat that boiled veggies, so it's better you can try this, and definitely you will love it, and it won't harm your body also. So there is less oil, less spices, and all the spices I'm using, that is homemade. So it's really very healthy, and as I'm not using any cream or nothing, so obviously super healthy and tasty.
No fancy cooking, but tasty, healthy, and obviously you can treat with this recipe. When it's easy to cook, you can cook for yourself, you can enjoy it actually. And you see, diet food is not boring, at least not in Madhurima's kitchen.